Let's make white chocolate and pistachio buttercream. Place soft butter into a mixer along with your Saracino pistachio paste. I gave mine a little bit of a shake there just because it's a little bit oily across the top and we want to combine it all together. All the ingredients are in the caption below. Mix these up on a fast speed for around 5 minutes and then stop and stir in between. You can see the consistencies beginning to change just here, and it becomes really, really soft, light and fluffy, and that's exactly what we're looking for. So here's my second go round here, and now I am just going to remove this and show you the consistency, and then we're going to pop in our icing sugar. So you want it just like that. See, it's thick, it's not falling off, but it is light and airy. So let's pop that icing sugar in right now, and then we're going to put that on, and again we're going to do this for around about 5 minutes and scrape down halfway through and then pop it back on again. Now in with that white chocolate. Oh yeah, make sure it's cool, we don't want to melt the butter, and then we're just going to keep going here. Now it will look slightly split to begin with, but keep going. If it's a bit thick, add in some milk with your vanilla and then keep going till it's beautifully soft. And look at this, it's absolutely stunning and it tastes absolutely amazing. Now give it a taste yourself, everybody likes different things. If you want it a little bit stronger, just add some more. So I'm using a 1M piping nozzle just to pipe this out, and look how smooth that is. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then I'm just gonna put some crushed pistachios across the top and it's finished. Yum.